This video we're going to cover creating a custom fan page. Now, if you've already gone through the mobile site creation videos, then this will all be pretty familiar because the steps are pretty much the same. You just give it a site name, and we're just going to call this Facebook page Demo 2. That sounds good to me. Then we'll click go to step 2, and we have 5 different templates from which you can choose from. Now some of these, like the real estate template, is just a single page template. So you'll just have to play around with each template to see what portions are customizable, and you can change the content around. For this one, we're just going to use this template right here, and then we'll click go to step 3. Just as in the mobile site creation, you can change the backgrounds for the page, the header, the menu, content, and the footer. And all that is done right here. And while this may look a little weird, you can get a better idea of what it's going to look like if you click preview. You can see how it dresses up the content that you put here, the text. And while it shows here that the background tiles, it doesn't do that in the template. And then this here, you can modify the font and whatnot for the menu items. And then here's the content that is in this area right here. And for the pictures in the 3 columns down here, they are located down here. And as in the mobile site template, any of these images you can change out. Now, since this is a 3 column area right here, you need to be particularly mindful of the width. So if you're going to change the image out, just be sure to set it at 150 or something similar. You can play around with it and see. You may only want to have 2 images down there, or even 1. Just it's totally up to you. As before, you can upload an image. If you have an image that's on an Amazon S3 account or somewhere else, you can just put in your link URL right there and just hit OK. And then you have your footer text down here. It's all the way down here. So to change that out, just select it, and we'll just go through that right there. We'll click Save Setting, hit Preview, and as you can see, it changed our text out. Now, since I already covered most of this in the mobile site creation video, we're just going to go ahead and go to step 4, which is adding the menus. Now, as I stated before, some of the templates are only single page templates, so you may not have a step 4 in that particular menu. It may just go directly to the content. This particular video does have the capability to have extra pages, so we're going to create a couple pages right here. The first one will be home. Click Save. Then we'll create a second page. Let's call it page 2. Now we have our 2 pages. We'll click on go to step 5. Now we just need to add the content to the pages. So we'll click add new, and this page title, we'll call it home, and it is the home page. And so we'll select home. You can add the title, keyword, and description if you wish. And if you're familiar with most text editors, then you're familiar with all these buttons. You can change the format of the font, the heading, the size of the text, and also you can add, as in the mobile sites, you can add an SMS form, you can add social media buttons, contact forms, or even H card. But since we already covered that in the mobile site creation videos, we're not going to do that. This is the area that you would add your content, be it images or text. And we'll click save. And we'll come over here and add the content for our second page, page 2, and this is not home, and this is going to be for page 2, and as you can see, home is grayed out since we're going to use that one. Page 2, content goes here. We'll click save, and just to do a quick preview, we'll just click on edit right here, hit preview, and as you can see, here's our custom fan page. Home page, content goes here, and we can click on page 2, and there's our title. Page 2 content goes here. So we're good to go on our customized template. And we just click on list all of your sites. And in the next video, we'll go over Facebook integration, which will cover creating your Facebook page and adding the custom template that we just created.